So now I'm using an NX desktop client to view multiple systems at the same time, right? So first of all, this is the video strings from the Askey Dashcam. This one is from the body-worn camera with NX embedded. Right now I'm using NX Cloud layout to pull videos from two different systems, the Dashcam, the body-worn cameras. At the same time, you might notice that this is my iPhone, so I'm using QuickTime to play the video from just the iPhone. So it's not live streaming, it's just an archive from iPhones. Okay, so we can start to do synchronized playback of these channels. Okay, so we can see that the CPU loadings again, it's pretty low, but I think right now, yeah, right now it's like 4% because it's not doing anything, right? So it's just there. So let's forget about that. Okay. So right now, again, we are using the NX Cloud layouts to view the recorded videos from a body-worn camera with NX server building, and from like this one, from this body-worn camera is this channel, right? And then from the dash camera, which is this channel. So we're doing synchronized playback of multiple systems. So if we have like hundreds, thousands of body-worn camera, dash cam, walking in the street, driving the streets. So this is how you're going to see, right? You can just easily pull them to a single layout to view their live video, to view their playback videos, right? So very simple. And in the video, I think I also showcase it like right there. We're going to see we can also use our media API to pull different kind of video strings. Right? So it make all the setup, connected device, connected video, very simple. Right? There's a lot of potentials we can do, no matter it's a sensor-based integrations with GPS, with gyro, with a accelerometer, or it could be video-based, audio-based of analytics to detect ADAS, right? To detect, to perform CarPlay recognitions, or to perform different kind of object detections with the video strings that we are getting from moving vehicles or from our staff that are carrying a body-worn cameras like this on them, right? So with our server application, media server application inside your devices could make this kind of use cases much simpler, right? Right now in the scene, I'm using my iPhone right here that I shoot in the video, also acting as a 4G hotspots. Right? So all the videos we don't have a static IP address, right? But still, we can easily get the live video. We can easily get the archive videos. So this is just a quick little test demo to show you what we can do as long as we have the NX server applications inside the device. Right? We can open the door for lots of integrations. Okay, thank you.